everyone, welcome to our first Crafty Monday of our summer reading program in 2021. This year's theme is Reading Colors Your World, so we will be doing colorful crafts today to help kick off the new summer reading program this year. Today for our craft in this video, we're going to be making a very colorful, very fun hot air balloon, and we are going to need some materials to do that. Now, if you come to the library, all of these materials will be available for you to collect within the next few weeks. If you want to do this at home as well, you can use any of the materials that you see here and just use the versions that you have available to you at your house as well, and that will work out. Okay, so if you come to the library, you are going to be provided with some kits to make this craft. You will be getting a piece of paper with 3 big hearts and a piece of paper with 3 small hearts for each color that we're going to use today. If you aren't coming to the library to get this kit, you can of course do this at home. All you need to do is cut 3 big hearts and 3 small hearts with each color. If you would like to do more hearts, you could always do more hearts, and that would just be a more fuller, bigger, and colorful hot air balloon. But today I'm just going to use the 3 hearts. I've already cut my hearts out today to save some time, but the first step you would do if you were doing this at home with our kit would be to cut out the big hearts and to cut out the small hearts. So because I already cut my hearts out, I have them right here. Here are my 3 blue hearts, the big ones and the small ones. And this is what we're going to use to start making our hot air balloon. Starting with a big balloon, we are going to fold it in half, a big heart. Now the kits on the ones you get from the library may have something on the back. Just make sure that's on the inside, and you're going to be opening it up with the fold being blank when you cut it out. Go ahead and fold all of the hearts you see. Just down the line. Make a little crease. You notice I did that one the wrong way. We'll flip it back over so that we get the nice, beautiful color on the outside. Now, if you do this at home, you won't have that problem because you wouldn't have had something printed double-sided like I did over here, just on accident. But if you do get the kits, they will have some that have this on the back. Just make sure that's not sticking out unless you like that sticking out. So, with these bigger hearts, what I'm going to do is glue the sides together. So I'm going to take my glue stick, put some glue on the outside petal, and then just stick my other big heart right on top of it. So now we have it kind of comes in the middle. It's glued together right here. Keep going. We're going to glue the last blue one on. Just keep putting the glue on. Match up the hearts and make it all pressed together. Now we have a little bit more of a balloon shape forming here. So I keep going out of the frame. And then we're just going to continue doing that with the big hearts. The small hearts we'll keep off to the side for now. The big hearts we're going to continue with. So you're going to do the same thing. Choose whatever next color you want. Make sure you're folding it so that the nice side we want to see is going to be on the inside of the fold. And now we're just going to add on to our hot air balloon. Glue. And pressing it on. And now you see we're getting a different color for our balloon as we see the blue turning into the pink. And we're going to continue until we've done that with all of our colors. I'm going to pause my video and finish out on the adding the colors for the big hearts. Save us some time, if you would like to pause as well, finish it out on your own, and I'll meet you back here once all of them are glued together. Now, we're not going to fully glue them like this closed. Leave it open. So we want it to be open like this with all of the petals glued together when we meet back. Okay, we're back, and you can see I have glued all of my pieces together. They kind of fan out like this, but I left it open so that we can continue to add a few things onto our craft before we're done with it. Now, make sure all the glue's sticking really well. We're actually going to put the big hearts off to the side, keep them nearby, and we're going to do the exact same thing with the small hearts. Now, the small hearts may or may not have something on the back. Just make sure, again, we're saving paper here. If you do have something on the back of yours, we're going to make sure that we fold it so that whatever those lines are on the outside of the fold. Therefore, it will be glued together to the other heart when we put it together. So once again, we're going to fold the hearts, glue one side, bring the next heart, go ahead, just stick it right on top there. And we'll keep going just like we did with the big hearts until we have one big stack of them all glued together and they can open up like this. Okay, now as you can see, I have our big hearts all glued together. And we have our small hearts all glued together. And we've got a couple final steps to make our hot air balloon. First, make sure that it's kind of dry. If you need to wait a little bit longer to dry it, let that happen. Glue sticks shouldn't take too long to dry, but just make sure it's not going to be falling apart while you're doing our next step. Once you're ready to go with that, you're going to take your regular glue. I'm using regular glue for this. You can try to use a glue stick. It may work as well. I feel that the regular glue tends to work a little bit better when we're gluing the string on, but you can choose to do what you want to do. So now what we need to do is add our string. That's not on the screen. We need to add our string onto our hot air balloon. And we're going to be putting it right in the middle of our hearts. So our heart's kind of open like this. We're just going to flip it over so we have this part, the seams, available. And then all you're going to do is put a little line of glue. Now, I would recommend doing a little line of glue. The more glue you add, the more it's going to kind of make the paper soggy. And I didn't really make a line, so make that line nice and full right there. Like I said, if you add a bunch of glue, you're going to end up with a soggy paper since it just says paper here. And we're just going to add our string right in the middle. Kind of push it in. And now from here, you can do two things. You can wait for this to dry before you move on to the next step. Or if you think that you can do it without disturbing the string, you could try to close our hot air balloon completely by putting glue on one side of our piece on the right. And then just taking the two last pieces, closing up the sphere, closing up the circle, and getting them all nice together. So now we have complete circle of hearts together, making the top of our hot air balloon. We want to make sure that while we're doing like this, we want to make sure that this string does stay in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press it down a little bit, and I'm going to set this off to the side so it can dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to move to the bottom of my string, or in this case, kind of the middle because I made the string a little bit long, and we're going to do the exact same thing. So we're going to put one little line of glue on our hearts. We're going to take the string and place it right onto that glue, right in the middle of all those hearts. And then, like I said before, if you wanted to wait for this to dry before moving to the next step, absolutely, you can do that. It might make it a little bit easier. The rope won't move while you're trying to do this. Otherwise, if you're able or you don't have time to wait for it to dry, just move on to the next step. close up that heart by putting the last two colors together. Mine didn't line up perfectly. That's okay. We have our string in the middle. Something I didn't do, which is something you might want to do, is oftentimes I leave some string hanging off the top here. So you can hang your hot air balloon after you're done with it. That actually is always kind of a fun thing to be able to hang it from the top. So instead of putting it right on the top like I did, you just move the string before you glue it. I know if you've already glued it, it's kind of not too easy to do right now, but if you haven't glued it yet, you could always put the string so it's kind of hanging off the top, and then you have some slack on the top to hang the hot air balloon at the end. What I'm going to do now is set this off to the side to dry. I really want to make sure that the glue is dry before I try to pick it up to show you. So I am going to set off to the side, let it dry, and then I'll be back with some more movie magic to show you our final result. Alright guys, here I am with our finished hot air balloon craft. The last thing you need to do is just to spread out the petals of the heart so that it makes a nice little round balloon shape. Now if you did have a string on top here, this would spin around more, and so you get a little bit more of a hanging mobile effect. I didn't do that today, so I'm not going to get that effect. You get a little bit on the bottom. But here we are with our hot air balloon craft. You can hang it up somewhere nice, or you can just kind of keep it for yourself and do whatever you want with it. And I hope to see you at the library. Remember, today is the first day to sign up for summer reading. The theme is Reading Colors Your World. This video is recorded on June 1st, so if you come to the library today, we will be waiting for you here to sign you up for summer reading. And otherwise, come throughout the summer, sign up for summer reading, do our videos, hang out online with us virtually with our programs, and we hope you'll stop by. We'll have crafts every Monday that we will show you on video as well as have for you to pick up. So we hope you enjoy our Crafty Mondays and come by to pick up those materials so we can have fun together.